This is a Helena internal video. It covers configuring the IP address for MDR control system machines and how to troubleshoot the error where the IP address does not show up in the IP configure menu. When the MDR software is first launched, check the error bar for the No Activate IP Address error. Navigate to the Help menu and select the Configure IP Address option from the drop-down. Confirm the prompt and the software will automatically close and launch the IP configure window. In this instance, the IP of the machine has been automatically detected and is displayed here. If it is not displayed, try clicking the refresh button after a few seconds. Select the listed IP address and then press Auto Set to configure the IP of the machine. Close the IP configure menu and reopen the MDR control system software. Note how the IP configure error in the error bar has now disappeared. Part 2 covers how to troubleshoot the problem where the IP address does not automatically appear in the IP configure window. Reopen the MDR CNC software. Open the Help menu. Select Auto Set IP Address from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the last line of the command shell. Type 1 and press Enter to run the Auto Set IP program. After this has been run, close the software, turn the machine off, and restart the entire system.